What do you have there?
Werner from Werner's Garage.
No, that's disgusting. That's so old. That's so gross.
It's so new.
All right, we're back at Jeff's shop, and we got the Gladiator. All right, so here she is. So today, we're focusing on the bumper. We're gonna take that plasticky bumper off. We're gonna put this nice, cool off-road bumper on there. Jeff had already sourced this and put one in his Gladiator. I really liked it, so I went and got the same thing. So we're gonna knock out the front bumper, getting our Gladiator decked out. We took out these 4 bolts that are down in here. These other guys you just need to loosen, you don't have to take them out. And then we got all the plastic top rivets and unplugged the fog lights. So the hardest part about this install is removing the old one. So we're getting close. Jeff is just using the impact down here to pull off, separate the skid plate, and then we can lift this whole guy right off. And then the cool thing about this bumper is the fog lights will install in the EAG one that we got. So we'll show you that too. Jeff was able to just lift it right off, the whole skid plate and everything, which on the Sport model, it's a plastic skid plate. On the Rubicons, you get a cool metal one, so I want to upgrade that down the road. So these are our mounting holes where the new bolts are going to go in for the new bumper. One thing about this bumper is actually for a JK, but it can work on a JL or JT. All you have to do is you got to enlarge one of the mounting holes to make it fit, which we'll show you here in just a few minutes, but pretty simple and easy to do. So if you find a JK bumper you like, this is a way that could potentially make it work for your JL or your, in this case, the JT. So we just removed the fog lights out of the factory bumper. We'll take the wiring out as well here in a minute. There's a nice wasp nest in there. That's always interesting. So we're taking these guys out, and they're gonna mount right into the new bumper with some nuts and bolts, and then our fog lights will transfer right over, which is sweet. All right, so there you have it. We got the bumper on. So we ended up with a 5/8 drill drilling all 4 of the holes on the mounting plate, and that worked perfect. It slid right on just the way it's supposed to be. You can see the fog lights are attached. Now, there's kind of a cavity here right now, but that's okay because we're gonna be putting a winch here in the near future. Underneath, you can see we don't have the skid plate. The plastic skid plate can be modified. If you have a Rubicon, the metal one can be attached, or do an aftermarket. I'll kind of think about that a little bit. But that's pretty simple. Definitely a good upgraded look compared to the factory bumper. So there we go.